48-year-old Milton Urhiles was sentenced to 5 years in prison by Justice Mary Valley before being led away in handcuffs. Urhiles was convicted in July of criminal negligence causing the death of 53-year-old Denis Garand, a dump truck driver who worked for him the day the truck he was driving blew a tire and crashed into a ditch, killing him instantly. Urhiles, who admitted to being Garand's supervisor, was found to have ignored Garand's concerns about an issue with the dump truck steering the night prior to the crash. Urhiles testified he checked the truck steering and blamed the crash on driver error. Justice Valley, in delivering her sentencing decision, said Urhiles bears a high degree of moral culpability for this grave offense, saying if the truck was taken to a mechanic, it would not have been on the road that day and the collision would not have happened. Garand was killed before noon September 22, 2020, when his dump truck left the road along the Adjla-Toronto-Tecumseh town line. The truck's front left tire was found to have very little tread on it, and an expert testified it should not have been on the road that day. The Crown called Urhiles morally corrupt, saying he put money above all else, arguing Urhiles ignored warnings and sent a man to his death. The Crown asked Urhiles be sentenced to 6 years in custody. The defense asked Urhiles be given a conditional sentence of 2 years less a day under house arrest. Prior to being sentenced, Urhiles apologized again to the court and the family of Denis Garand, saying, "May God forgive me once again." Garand was a husband and father of a young boy living on the autism spectrum. His widow threw a victim impact statement, described being traumatized and left in financial peril. The judge highlighted Urhiles' egregious commercial vehicle operator record, noting several violations, fines, and poor record keeping. The judge said Urhiles should not have been training anybody to drive a commercial vehicle. His wife, who owned the company, along with loved ones, hugged Urhiles before leaving the courthouse, declined to comment on the sentence. Upon his release from custody, Urhiles is banned from having weapons on him for life. Mike Arsledy, CTV News, Barrie.